The A319 is the newest and smallest member of the Airbus standard body aircraft family. The design philosophy adopted in the development of the A319 from the basic A320 is one of maximum commonality. New technology has been used to the full to improve airline profitability. From the passenger's point of view, greater comfort in every class makes the A319 a better way to travel. Wider seats, wider aisles, more overhead baggage space take much of the stress out of the journey. New dimensions make it possible for cabin crew to provide better service. Passenger pleasing by design, the Airbus standard body aircraft have become the preferred choice worldwide. The A319 interior design is characterized by the soft, rounded shapes of the lining, as well as the handrail, which runs along the overhead stowage compartments, features which have contributed to the success of the Airbus standard body aircraft family. The harmonious light distribution creates a clear and elegant environment. The cabin of the A319 is 23.7 metres long, which provides for a floor area of 80.5 square metres. Seat rail spacing is such that every passenger will have the same space available under the seat in front to stow carry-on baggage if ever the need should arise to do so, in spite of the large overhead stowage compartments. In order to increase passenger comfort, Airbus Industry proposes integrated type seatbacks on the A319 seats. Their shape follows the curve of the window panels on one side and uses the width of the armrest to provide a wider seatback. The A319 has been certified for 145 passengers with 4 oversized Type 1 passenger doors at the forward and rear ends of the cabin and 2 overwing Type 3 emergency exits, which are easy to handle and extremely light. The maximum number of 145 passengers would be seated at 30 and 29-inch pitch. An all-economy seating arrangement would be for 134 passengers, seated 6 abreast at 32-inch pitch. A typical 2-class configuration for 124 passengers consists of 8 first-class seats 4 abreast at 36-inch pitch and 116 economy seats 6 abreast at 32-inch pitch. The size of a class may be changed between flights by means of a movable class divider consisting of a centre part and 2 lateral parts, which will be hooked up into 2-inch fixation panels in the PSU channel. Different types of centre and lateral parts are available to cater for various operational requirements. Lateral units allow flexibility in conjunction with a video installation.
Space is used to its optimum, with 3 standard units in a column above work counter level. Some of the galley locations are connected to the potable and wastewater, as well as to the fresh and exhaust air systems. Others may be connected on request. A total of 50 kVA electrical power is provided for the galleys. Cooling of trolleys is achieved by means of dry ice. Air chiller cooling systems, however, may be installed on request, with the cooling units integrated into the galleys.
The concept of the A319 lavatories is based on a vacuum waste system and the result of an intensive dialogue between designers and airlines. Up to 4 lavatories may be selected from several positions in the forward and rear door areas to take full advantage of the possibility to combine with the different galley arrangements offered.
Adequate size with respect to loss of passenger seats, easy cleaning and servicing, as well as corrosion prevention, have been the major design criteria. Outward opening rigid doors are basic. Inward opening bifolding doors may be fitted on request, except in lavatories A and F. The doors may be unlocked from the passenger compartment side by means of a hidden device. All lavatories are equipped with identical and easily removable waste and service boxes. Large nursing tables are a basic feature in all lavatories.
the tank, which is located in the underfloor area behind the aft cargo compartment, contains 200 litres.
The necessary water supply is ensured by pressurising the system from 25 to 28 psi, with bleed air from either the engines or the APU. On ground, if both these sources are not available, this can be done by an external compressor unit via the water service panel, or alternatively, by an optional compressor integrated in the system. The potable water system is approved according to public health requirements. An optional water quantity preselection system allows for tank filling of 4 predetermined water levels: 25%, 50%, 75%, and full. Quantity selection is done from the forward attendant panel. The filling process will be stopped automatically when the selected quantity is reached. A light on the water service panel indicates the end of the filling process. With this option, the basic quantity indicator on the service panel will be deleted. Pre-selection from the water service panel is also available as an option.
The wastewater drain system discards water from the lavatory wash basins and the sinks of the galleys through the heated drain masts. Air stop valves are installed in the 2.5-inch drain lines to avoid cabin air loss. The aircraft is equipped with a vacuum toilet system manufactured by Monogram. Up to 4 lavatories can be installed in the cabin. The waste tank has a capacity of 200 litres. All cabin attendant seats are equipped with a 4-point restraint system with 2 retractors. The seat pan returns automatically to the folded position except for the aft swivel seat, which is locked and has to be released manually. For better lumbar support, the lower part of the backrest reclines to 13 degrees. Headrest and upholstery are covered with a textile fabric. Every cabin attendant seat installation comprises an individual work light with switch, a fastened seatbelt no smoking sign, an oxygen dropout mask, a life vest and a flashlight. Large and efficiently shaped overhead stowage compartments provide a total volume of 273 cubic feet, which is more than 2 cubic feet per passenger in a typical 134 all-economy seats cabin. The bins are 84 inches long and 27 inches deep, large enough to take garment bags laid flat. 2 doors per bin provide for maximum versatility. The integrated handrail provides additional safety and convenience for passengers and cabin crew alike. Both individual passenger reading lights and air outlets are basic features. The oxygen boxes house 3 or 4 masks and the solid-state chemical generators. Loudspeakers and pictorial passenger information signs are installed above every second seat row. To draw passengers' attention during boarding, the seat row markers are steadily illuminated on ground while they are flashing when used as passenger call indicator.